Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Learn to Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do a chain link box knot combo. So let's get started.
You can find any of the products I use by clicking the links in the description box below. So you're going to take an equal section from each side, like this. You want to try to get this as wet as possible. Going to take the left over the right, and then again, this strand that you put over the right, under that strand, you basically just twist it. Alright, so after you twist them, you're going to take this left strand and you're going to create a C shape by putting your two left fingers in there, right here like this, and you're going to hold it just like this. You're going to take the right strand and you're going to put it over that C tail right here. Now you're going to take this C tail, you're going to hold it with your two fingers on the left hand, and then you're going to take your two fingers on the right hand and you're going to put it right in between, right here on this slot, right up here, and you're going to grab this strand here that isn't being held with the left hand, bring it up like this, go ahead and tighten it up. Okay, after you're done tightening it up, you're going to take this strand that your left fingers are holding, you're going to drop it, okay, and hold it with your right hand fingers. Then you're going to take your two pincher fingers on the right hand and pinch this right here, just like that. You're going to take your pinchers on the left and put it right in between that loop, okay? Now you're going to go ahead and you're taking this strand here, this one. You can let go of this now. You're going to take this one here and now hold this for a support, and you're going to now bring that strand right through that loop. Tighten it up. See how it looks like a box? It almost looks like a flower too. And then you're ready for your next set. Scoop up a small section on the right side. I'm going to wet it down a little. Then you're going to do the same thing. Scoop up a small section on the left, wet it down, and add it to this strand here. Okay, so now you're on to the next set. So you take the left strand over the right, and then back under that and back over to the left. Okay, so you're just twisting it. Now you're going to make a C shape on the left strand by putting your two fingers like this. And now you're going to bring this strand over the C tail right here. And you're going to hold that C tail between these two fingers. So now you're going to take your two fingers and find that little slit right here. See that little slit right in there? You're going to put your two fingers in there and grab this tail, okay? Grab it, pull it right through. Go ahead and tighten it up. You can let go of that, like this, and take your two pinchers from the right hand. Take your two pinchers from the left and put it right in this loop, right here. Now you're going to take this strand here and bring it over into that loop. Tighten it up, then you have the second knot. Just going to go ahead and expand this out a little bit and bring this down. And see how there's a little link right in here, a little chain link, and then you're ready to do another set. I'll show you one more time before I speed this up. So again, I'm going to take a small section right here on the side, add it to this right strand right here. I'm going to wet it down a little. You're going to do the same thing on the left side. Pick up a small section from the left side and add it to the left strand. And then you're going to wet it down. And add it to this strand here. I'll show you another set. Okay, so you're going to take the left over the right and then back under and over to the left. You're going to twist it. You're going to make a shape of a C with your 2 fingers. Bring this over the C tail. Hold this C tail with your 2 fingers right here. Find that little slit right here with your right 2 fingers. Now grab this tail here, bring it up, go ahead and tighten it. Once you're done tightening it, you can go ahead and hold this, put your 2 fingers from the right and pinch the loop. Put your 2 pinchers from the left through the loop. And then you're going to take this tail here over and grab it with your pinchers and pull right through that loop. Go ahead and tighten it. You can bring this down a little. And then you'll see your little chain link right here. Okay. Go ahead and expand that out. Just expand the outer parts out, just so that you can see that box looking knot. There. That's all there is to it. Now you might want to rewind this over and over again just so that you can see how it works in slow-mo. Once you get the hang of it, it's easier to do faster than it is doing it slower. So I'm going to go ahead and speed it up for time purposes only. Secure it off in the last band. So now I'm going to go back over and see the outside knots on the left and the right. I'm just going to go ahead and just expand them out. Okay, and just fix it the way you like it. See how it looks like it's connected with the links? And there you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now if there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments below.
We love feedback, so let us know about your success and following our videos on parts you might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bar right next to the subscribe button.
Help support our channel by clicking the links in the descriptions. Now this helps us to make videos for you.
Don't forget to smash that like button
And click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
to watch more of us. Click on over there. Love you guys. Till next time.
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others.
Bye.
Bye guys, God bless.